Cool. Last quick one for me. It's like half PSA, half thing. So as everyone knows, we have custom visualizations. They're full of Vega code. Um, the challenging part about using them is actually finding all the field references in them. So what I've gone ahead and done is I have taken every single one of these custom visualizations, and you'll notice that there's a new transform. All of these will now only accept references in these transforms with capitalized field names. So if you look at any of these specs now, what you'll see is that the variables are all pulled into specific regions such that you only have to replace them in one spot for all these visualizations. So rather than sort of finding the references in every single place, there's going to be named variables, and they will make it so that you can sort of build these things more easily. So like Sankey is a great example. There was like 50 references to these fields. This is actually an example where there's two transforms also. So you actually have to you have to plug in twice here to two different sections. But what it means is that you can sort of drop in these visualizations. So like this one, again, relatively complex visualization, we can pick it up and you can see that there are a handful of references in here, but let's go drop this in. I'll start a new analysis. And the whole idea is you can kind of figure out the things that you need. So top Y, bottom Y. So we need two variables and then an x-axis and a color. So I will grab, like user count California minor, or let's just do count minors. It's a little bigger. We'll grab a date and we will color by traffic source. I can go to the chart. I can drop open the visualization. I can paste the whole thing in. And now I just need to remap my fields. So this is going to be users created at week, users dot count. We'll do users, what is this? Users count minor. And one of the nice pieces here is that you actually don't need to do the escaping inside these. I don't know why, but you can paste them all in. Again, this is one that has two. So I will grab this and paste it up here. But you can see that now it just works. So much easier to install these. Hopefully it's the underpinning for actually turning these into input boxes over time. But you can see how much easier it is to sort of install these visualizations now and just have them work. So all the custom viz are like this now. And please, if you make a custom viz before you post it, pull out the variables. It's incredibly simple.